Rolling. What's your song na nga?
Now that was
Ay, naupupos. Naupupos. Pero hindi naupupos. So, how do you make it, how do you find the truth in case you connect with it? Ah, right. So that's the point. That's why you have to discover that that's wrong. Just think after this. Alright, let's do this again. Can you start something here so that it can grow to the end? Ano nangyari kasi parang nandito ka na, hindi na siya umangat. Sayang yung gitna ng change of key. Yun, dun dapat.
At hindi rin naman nagpatinag si Donnell dahil siniguro niya na may bago siyang ipapakita sa Clash Arena for Round 2. Yeah!
Donald! Grabe naman yun. Hindi kasi, sa pagkakaalala ko, yung last na kinanta mo kasi was My Everything. Kasi ang baba nung baritone eh. Pero nagulat ako kasi may gano'n ka palang range. Right?
Wow. Pero pinakita niya ngayon kung gaano
Oo.
kalayo yung range niya as a singer.
Yes. Pero gusto ka naming tanongin, Donald, ano yung nag-ipakiramdam mo? Kasi, syempre, alam mo yun, tinanggal ka ng Next Gen. Tapos, inayawan ka rin ng Soundwave Squad. Kaya ka bumalik ng Next Gen. For sure, roller coaster ride yun para sa'yo. Oo, di ba?
Okay, good luck. See you, Soundwave Squad. Nalipat si Kuya Ben sa Soundwave Squad. Roller coaster talaga.
giving us the now.
Thank you so much. It's actually the Soundwave Squad who decided to pick Kuya Ben kasi pinapili sila sa aming dalawa kung sino ang kukunin nila. So they talked about it and the Soundwave Squad, they chose.
If
They chose.
Jan, we would choose. So,
Thank you
we're
guys.
happy. we're happy to have you back.
When I reflected, it hurts pero ganun po talaga ang mangyayari. I just really have to accept at the end of the day, I have to understand. Nung nalaman ko po na ako po pati si Philippine ang natanggal, I didn't lose hope because I've earned my spot here sa top 12. Top 12 will always be top 12.